Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Logic Pro X and inserting retro synth on a new software instrument track. Choose an oscillator shape and octave to hear immediate tone. This gives you a sonic foundation. Once done, set polyphony and a subtle glide so notes connect smoothly. Make sure to load a simple preset or initialize the patch. This prevents hidden modulation. Save a first version before tweaking. This gets you into sound design mode fast and lets you experiment without losing your starting point. Next, sculpt the core by dialing filter cutoff and resonance. This defines brightness and character, so move them while playing notes. Use the amp envelope to set attack and decay for the instrument's articulation. This is why a pad feels smooth or a pluck snaps. Route the LFO to pitch or filter for motion. Set rate slowly for ambient movement or faster for vibrato. Once done, add sub-oscillator, detune, or unison to fatten the sound and adjust phase to avoid cancellation as you balance levels. Finish by placing effects. Use reverb and delay to give space, chorus for width, and EQ to carve frequency conflicts. Send effects when you want shared ambience. Automate cutoff, LFO depth, or effect sends to make the part evolve. Record automation lanes while playing for authentic movement. When you're done, bounce in place or export stems at full resolution. If things go wrong, check audio buffer, plug in latency compensation, and MIDI channel routing. That single check usually fixes silence, glitching, or timing drift.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.